Hey guys, I'm Tasha and you are watching Customized Close-Up. Today I'm gonna be showing you a bunch of the products that all members will be able to choose from for the winter box. Select members get to customize from November 2nd to November 5th, and all members are gonna have access to customize on November 15th through 18th. If you're not a member yet, you need to sign up right now, right up here at FabFitFun.com. Before I get started, make sure that you guys are giving this video a little thumbs up, that you guys are commenting below. Make sure you subscribe to FabFitFun's channel because we put out videos all the time giving you guys a deeper look into a bunch of your box products. First up, we have the ban.do Bluetooth shower speaker, which I definitely could have used this morning because I was singing my little heart out in the shower. What I love about this is that it has a suction cup that, let me tell you guys, this suction, I mean, we're talking like octopus status. This baby is water resistant. This has a 32-foot range, so you could have your phone charging inside your room, still playing music on your shower speaker. It also plays for 2.5 to 3 hours straight, so if you're taking like a long bath, chilling out, you wanna listen to an entire album 2 times, it's not gonna die in the middle of your me time. Charging it is super easy. You have this little USB cord right here. One of the best things about this shower speaker, because I know we have all been there. We've been playing music from our phone and a song comes on that you don't wanna listen to, and all of a sudden you are running butt naked out of your shower, changing the song right there, or getting a call or something like that. Not with this anymore. You can just skip the song right from your shower speaker. You can turn up the volume or turn down the volume right from your shower speaker. Next up, we have the Erno Laszlo Pore Cleansing Clay Mask, and I love this stuff. It's actually gonna be putting moisture back into your skin. It's not gonna dry it out. It's going to pull all the dirt and oil from your pores. Also, it is this super cute pink color. Hello, Instagram moments. You're gonna apply a thick opaque layer and you're gonna let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse it right off and glow on your way. This mask harnesses the power of bentonite and kaolin clays, which are natural white and pink clays, giving it that little cute pink color. And it has rose water, which makes it smell amazing. Your skin is gonna be brighter, more radiant. Your pores are going to appear smaller. Your skin is going to glow like you don't even know. I'm losing it. All right, everyone, you have been requesting this product for years, and we are finally delivering it to you. This is the PJ Salvage Faux Trim Cable Slippers. So if you are going to pick this option, we have small medium that you can choose or medium large. For reference, I'm a size 6 and I would choose the small medium. And I'm gonna try them on so that you can see what they look like on my foot. And this is the small medium. Really weird to do this. So I love these because the outside is this adorable cable knit, perfect for winter. Then on the inside, you've got your plush faux fur. That is very important to me. We have our textured bottom to help you get that grip. Make sure that you're not slipping and sliding through your kitchen. I wanted to like do a handstand with them. At last. I can't sing. Can you auto-tune me? At last, we have the LashesMD eyelash conditioner. This is one product that changes the game. So this formula has amino acids, peptides, and vitamins that are gonna help your eyelashes grow. It's gonna strengthen them, make them longer, stronger. Who doesn't want that? So you're just gonna apply it right from the inside corner all the way to the outside corner, just like you're putting on eyeliner. It's gonna go on clear, but it's there and it's gonna be working to help you grow those lashes nice and strong. And you can also put a little bit underneath on your lower lash line. You can also brush it right through your eyebrows if you want to get fuller brows as well. I wear mascara every day, and I usually wear waterproof mascara because I'm going home and I'm watching those soap operas, and you know those soap operas get you crying. The waterproof mascara is making them brittle and dry, and this is just gonna combat that. So those are all of your customization options in this category. Make sure that you're commenting below. Tell me what you are excited about, and do not miss the customize window. The dates are right up here, so make sure you're paying attention to those. If you're not a member yet, sign up at FabFitFun.com, and we will see you next season. I was trying to think of like something cute to sign off with, but I got nothing. I got nothing.